Listen as Jerry Cummins discusses critical concepts and teaching strategies that can be used effectively when teaching students about tangents. After you have heard Jerry Cummins, if you wish to revise your evaluations, you may.
The teacher in this lesson actually used several ways to get the concept across. First started out with some concrete models. Then he moved to technology and allowed the visual learner to kind of visualize exactly what was going on in the situation. And finally, he asked the students to make conjectures, which he followed with having them write a proof, or the reasoning aspect of the lesson. If students are not able to grasp the concept the first time it is taught, then the teacher really has to design a different technique. One of the best that I know of is the use of handheld calculators to engage students in that learning process. And in fact, there are a variety of levels of understanding that a student has in geometry. The handheld calculator will allow a student to work at many different levels, and in fact is one way to create differentiation in the classroom. NCTM's Principles and Standards for School Mathematics strongly suggest that models be used in discussion of mathematical topics. In this case, the teacher used several visual models in order to make the point of a tangent connecting to a circle. In a classroom, there are students that have different learning styles. Many need a visual representation of a problem before they can get a clear understanding of the information. The teacher actually used dynamic geometry to demonstrate that the point outside the circle and the distances of the two tangents are congruent. He also illustrated that the shortest distance between a point and a line is the perpendicular distance. The NCTM standards suggest that technology is essential in the teaching and learning of mathematics. In fact, the geometry standard in itself indicates that dynamic geometry is one of the best ways to teach visualization in geometry. Cooperative groups is one of the most researched ideas in teaching today. One of the reasons why it is preferable is because it increases students' achievement. This is collaborated by many researchers who, in fact, have discovered that in cooperative groups, students learn more than individualized learning or in a classroom-directed situation.